To better learn this song, get the free guitar blueprint with all the chords, tabs, lyrics, and more at jimmydillon.com/blueprint. It's totally free, and it'll help you learn this song a whole lot easier. Plus, there's a few surprise gifts for you inside of the blueprint. Well, today I want to do, before there was a Bob Dylan and a Bruce Springsteen, there was a guy named Woody Guthrie, and we've all been inspired by him through the years. This is probably his most famous song. It's called This Land Is Your Land, and it goes like this. It's in the key of D. This land is your land, this land is my land, from California to the New York Island, from the Redwood Forest to the Gulf Stream water. This land made you and me. So this is a 3-chord wonder, one of the original ones. This is D, starts out in D. It goes right to the G chord, back to the D, and then A. You can do it like that. 1, 2. To the D, G, D, and then it rests on the A. This land was made for you and me. Now there are some moments in there where it goes, I was walking. D7th, I see balloon, golden valley. Back to the A. This land made you and me. Now you'll notice on this one, I'm sometimes doing a little country thing, like a not necessary, but it kind of gives it a little drive. And I'm also muting a little bit, especially during the verses. Walk up to the G, just an open E, F sharp to G. You've heard that before, but that sets up the verse. It's the same as the chorus. I was walking, living up highway to the A, not above me. So on that A, playing the low A and the low E. I'm Johnny Cash, that kind of thing. And then I'll walk up. And then to a D7, which marks the next G chord. And I'm doing this G here where I got the 3rd finger on the 3rd fret of the B. Pinky underneath. And then to the D. And then back to your A. So that walk up is handy. Just an A, 2, 4, to a D chord. All right, so now I'm going to do all those moves I just showed you. So you got the, and then you got the walk up to the G. The A, and I like to walk up to the D. And to the D7. Walk up to that G with the open E, 2, 3, open E to the 2, 3, and then to the D, and then back to the A, and the D. That's pretty much the whole song. Hey friends, we've got a super exciting announcement, and we'll get you right back to your guitar lesson. Every Wednesday we pick a new winner to give away prizes like free guitar courses, swag and apparel, and occasionally we'll even give away free guitars, gear, and sometimes we even give away cold hard cash. All you have to do is be subscribed to the YouTube channel and you're automatically registered to win. So make sure you subscribe to the channel, hit the bell notification, and get updates for when new videos are uploaded. And make sure you like this video and comment down below for even more chances to win. Winners will be announced every Wednesday in our daily video and in the community tab. So keep an eye out for your name being called and good luck. Okay, back to your guitar lesson. So it's, it's perfectly fine if you're not able to get that, articulate the, and there's no real hard rhyme or reason for that or where it needs to be. That's totally a matter of taste on your part. So, but you'll notice I'll do it really straight now, and then I'll add a couple little connective tissues to it. I'm doing is I'm you catch a little, we've all heard James Taylor do that one. So I'm basically spelling a D chord here. So then I got the open E and hammer down on the F sharp, which is the 2nd fret on the high E string. And again, all these are like little cookies that take you from chord to chord and kind of like a connective tissue really. Walks you up to the G, and then a hammer on. All those are handy. They're like interior melodies. This land is your land. This land is from California to the New York Island, from the Redwood Forest to the Gulf Stream waters, this land made for you and me. All right, there's one for Woody and one for everybody right now. Hope you're doing well, stay safe, and we'll see you down the road. Thank you for taking the time to check out this online guitar lesson. Remember, you can get the free guitar blueprint for this song that'll help you learn it a whole lot easier at www.jimmydillon.com/blueprint. It's totally free and it's yours to keep. Also, make sure that you're subscribed to the channel and hit the bell notification, because every Wednesday we pick random winners to give away guitar courses, swag and apparel, guitar gear, and sometimes we'll even give away cold, hard cash. All you have to do is be subscribed to the channel and you're eligible to win. And if you want even more chances to win, like this video and leave a comment below, and share this video with anyone you think might like it. All winners will be announced in our Wednesday video and in our community tab. Good luck!